Leave keys. Hey y'all, so we're just flattening out these baby hairs for this evening. Hey you guys, so we're back with another bamba. I'm looking crazy, I know, but we about to get together. So this is our first ChrissyChat. I'm getting ready for Red Lobster. We're having a birthday today. Today's ChrissyChat is how I motivate myself, how I get up and do what I do and make sure things get done. So I just got the text that I got a little bit more time on my hands, which is amazing. So I could really do this video for real for you guys. I broke this down into four sections. I just start, the end game, this quote, and time. That's it. That's the sections we got. Whatever it is that you want to do in your life, or whatever it is you're trying to goals you're trying to achieve, you just gotta start the goal. There's no other way putting it. The way I just quote unquote just start was by setting smaller goals that leads up to my big goal. For prime example, I had a goal of making my bed every day. I would set a smaller goal, which is waking up earlier, so I can literally dedicate certain time. I will set a certain time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, only just to making my bed. That would be my only goal for the whole day. Sometimes I would not overwhelm myself for anything else. Concealer, using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just putting this right up in here, a little bit right out here. And so when I say just start, you guys, it really means just start. If it comes down to you trying to, even if you're trying to become a singer, a dancer, start with one move or one note at a time, okay? It's not the worst thing, setting little goals. It will prolong the situation of whatever it is you're trying to do, but I don't know, I find it to be worth it. You see me look over here, I got my mirror over here, so I'm definitely gonna be looking this way a lot more. I'm just wetting my little makeup sponge. You can get this at any beauty supply, pharmacy, anywhere. It's just for a couple dollars, a whole pack of them, and I use that. And yeah, you guys, it's gonna be scary at first, of course, but setting those little goals makes it easier for you to accomplish the big one. So yeah. Next is end goal. When I say end goal, it's basically the finisher. Why are you doing this in the first place? What is the end goal? What is your purpose of doing what it is that you're trying to motivate yourself to do in the first place? If it's reading, if you want to read more and you're wondering I need to do this, you ask yourself, well, why am I doing this in the first place? Because I want to gain more knowledge. So whenever I get stuck in those very specific moments, I'm really just why am I doing this in the first place? Why do I want to make my bed every day in the morning? I want to be more put together. I want to be more productive throughout my day, and that shows that making your bed first thing in the morning will more than likely give you a more productive day. So that's what I mean by end goal. Whenever you're really, I put too much water, oh my gosh, I almost soaked up my whole damn eye. Let me even see, is this even blending in right? Oh gosh, no. What you see on camera is really not what's real life, trust me. Because I'm thinking it looked good in the camera. I'm like, oh, this don't look like it blended out nicely. I look in the mirror, this don't look like a whole hot mess. When it comes to end goal, ask yourself why you're doing this in the first place. And that should give you that extra kick to actually accomplish what you need to accomplish. What helps me stay motivated or helps get me back to being motivated to do and tackle on my day and all my tasks I have is a quote that I would always tell myself. Like, this is what helps me get out of my sluggish days in my bed, like, type of vibe. Like, this is what I say to myself. The sooner I start, the sooner I finish. Them words, good God. I am doing foundation, and I'm using this Juvia's Place shade Kampala 340. And I'm gonna be putting just a drop on here. The sooner I start, the sooner I finish. That right there is what got me through so much in my life. It got me up and out of the slums. It got me into my bag. It got me doing all them dreadful things that I didn't want to do. First of all, I really do love this foundation. I'm not like a makeup guru, you guys. I just started doing makeup literally not even a year. It's been since I've been doing makeup, and this is where we at. This is exactly where we at. Let me not blend here, because I'm like looking, I'm like, whoa. And I'm like looking here and I'm like, whoa. Yeah, let me focus really fast. You guys there sitting down, thinking about doing things, thinking about accomplishing all these things, is really just wasting your time. Time waits for nobody, okay? It waits for nobody. So, use that time wisely. I think we could take this off. We about to actually just take it off because now you're interfering. You're interfering with the vibe that I'm trying to do. So yeah. The last tip that I have is time. Simply like that. Being patient with myself. Like, I already know I'm not gonna be the next Debbie Do go-getter in the next 0.5 seconds. You know, I had to really stop and tell myself like, yo, it's gonna take time. I know that the goals I have set for myself, it's going to take time for me to achieve. Guys, I just try to contour my nose. Cause listen, boo-boo, we is still learning how to do all this. Okay, we is still learning. I have no idea what the hell I just did or why the hell I just did that. I wiped most of it off because I saw what it was doing and I wanted it to do that with another day, another time. This is me watching too much YouTube videos. Watching way too much YouTube videos. Why? Yeah, I could do that. And then when you get to the doing, you don't know what the hell you're doing. So these are just my tips that I tell and do for myself for when I need more motivation or if I want to be more motivated. Oh, another thing that I actually didn't even remember until just now is, guys, we are now in a whole social media type of, in generation. If you guys do not search up just other people doing what it is that you want to do, that's going to give you motivation real fast, because if that next person can do it, so can you. So if you want to dance, search up dancing videos. If you want to be more tidy, watch cleaning videos. If you wanna, you know, learn a new skill, watch stuff relating to that skill. And take it day by day. Have a planner, be organized about it, be serious about it, manifest it, you know. That's the only way it's gonna come to you. We're just using our setting spray now, our NYX Bear With Me setting spray. We're just gonna spray the whole face real quick. And while I'm letting that situate itself, do its thing, I just realized I forgot to like do my brows. You guys, my phone don't want me to be great, so we just gonna see what it do now. But I'm using the Wet n Wild liner, and I'm just gonna do wings on my eyes. So I can't do this on camera. I'm gonna just come back when I'm all done. So, and those are my tips on how I, you know, keep myself motivated. So if you guys like videos like these and like my Chrissy chats, please let me know. Comment down some topics. And if you haven't already, subscribe. If you already got to this point, you might as well subscribe. Like, you might as well. But I'm just adding these glasses just to finish off the look a bit. And yeah, you guys, we is out. You guys all be motivated, be healthy, be happy. And I'll see you guys in my next video.